Welcome back to We Here Now. I'm X. Let's get straight to it. So, in today's news, Bitcoin. Bitcoin approaches 85,000 amid tariff relief and Fed signals. Bitcoin rebounded to nearly 85,000 as market sentiment improved following trade negotiations and easing investors' concerns. The CoinDesk 20 index climbed 1.2%, driven by gains in Solana and AVAX. Federal Reserve Governor Christopher Waller indicated potential rate cuts if Trump tariffs return, while the EU delayed tariffs on U.S. goods. Analysts highlighted Bitcoin's strengthening network fundamentals and stabilizing liquidity as signs of potential sustained growth. All right. First, let me kind of got ahead of myself. Today is going to be a follow up from the last video. Monday, I believe it was Monday, we had some earnings. I want to look at those as well with you guys, and also the signals that I gave out. Just want to check on those. It's been a couple of days. As you know, we do look off the 3-day chart. So yeah, let's move on to global stock markets. Get out of this. All right. Global stock market declined after U.S. tightens chip export restrictions. Global financial markets experienced turmoil following Donald Trump tightened export restrictions on chips to China, causing sharp declines in global stocks and the U.S. dollar. Nvidia revealed it anticipates a 5.5 billion with a B loss due to the ban on its AI chips in China. The World Trade Organization warned that the tariffs could reverse global trade growth, lowering its forecast from positive 2.7 to a negative 0.2% decline. In response, stock markets across the US, Europe, and Asia dropped, with Nvidia shares falling 6.5%. That's a lot, guys. That is a lot. Ooh, that's a lot. The dollar weakened while gold surged to a record high above $3,300 an ounce amid growing investor uncertainty. Before I move on to the next article, I just want to pull up Nvidia real quick. Just want to pull that up real quick. Right there. Yeah. Yeah. However, it's still, you know, trading in this channel, this flag, or this whatever you want to call it, this channel. So, all right. Moving back to the last of the news, Forex markets react to tariff announcements and economic data. The U.S. dollar ended the day mixed versus major currencies. EUR up 0.06%, JPY down negative 0.31%, GBP down 0.8%, CHF down 0.07%, CAD up 0.09%, AUD down 0.64%, and NZD down 0.89%. This reflects the market's response to the recent tariff announcements and economic data releases. All right. So let's just go straight to it. Look at the signals that I gave you guys. Remember, it's 30 of these. And it looks like it's another 30 for earnings. I won't go too deep in these. I'm just going to see if it's a trade and if it's not a trade, if that makes sense. All right. Let's get to it. Banner. Let's look at banner. Oh, oh, oh. 3 day, yes. Um, yes. So this was definitely a good trade. This was definitely a good trade. This looks like a double bottom formed. Yeah. So good trade on banner. BBVA. BBVA. Another good trade. Another good trade. Another good trade. BSRR. The move is happening now. The move is happening now. Looks like tomorrow is going to be a good day. That's when the push will actually start. You see that this is a pattern right there. Moving on, moving on. Let's go to calm. The move is there. The move was there. So now price will be trying to get in this area again. All right. Curie. Another good move. Another good move. Another good move. CZFS. Another good move. Another good move. DTM, TM. Man, it's like clockwork. Look at that beautiful double bottom forming. These are good trades, guys. I hope you got into them. Well, the move happened already, but still looking good. Still looking good. GSHD. Not yet, not yet. However, it did bounce off the 3 day. It did bounce. So actually, let me move that around to like so. Now I can lock it. Now I can lock it. And then at the same time, almost looks like it want to do a double top and then come back down. I don't know, but yeah, we need more time on this one. Need more time on this one. HAFC, yes. Another good trade. Another good trade. ITRN, ITRN. Another good trade. Another good trade. JFIN. Nah, this one don't look too good. This one don't look too good. This one don't look too good. At least not on a 3 day. All right. LSBK. That looks good. It jumped up. Gapped up. Gapped up. Gapped up. All right. LYG. Ooh, that's looking real good, guys. And this is on a 3 day. I hope y'all got into it. I hope y'all got into it. MFG. Clockwork. They grabbed that EMA. Like I stated before. Clockwork. MRBK. This looks just like the other stock. I can't figure out what it was. But yeah, still need some more time. Still need some more time, at least for me. Now, it's actually, see if you guys can see it like that. kind of forcing it now. I'm kind of forcing it. Kind of forcing that. So yeah, need some more time on that one because as you can see, it go up and then come down. That's what I was looking at. That's what I was looking at. NRIM. A nice touch. So yeah, it's looking good. Everything. I got some good trades for y'all. WG. Oh yeah, that's definitely a time to get in this trade. Definitely. Definitely. What am I looking at? Opera. I'm already on 21. No, I need more time. PDCO. It gapped up. It gapped up. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Look at all that buying pressure. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Another good trade. PWOD. Oh, I don't wanna mess nothing up. Oh, I didn't. Cool. So, clear double bottom on the daily. Clear double bottom on the daily, which will be breaking out soon. Saying. Yep, breakout is here. Man, need some good trades. SBFG. That's perfect. That's a perfect reversal. A perfect reversal. All right. Tigo. Man, that looks good. That looks real good. Look how everything line up. That's a good trade to get into. Unit. Reversal. Good unit. Good. I can definitely put this up there like so. Yeah, that look good right there. That look good. All right, WMB. See what we have. Just wait for that. Just like that video. Just wait till the mod in. But nah. Good breakout is coming. On a 3-day. Good breakout is coming on a 3-day. Yeah, good breakout is coming on a 3-day. All right. WNEB. Look at that reversal. Man, that's a cookie cutter reversal right here. 1, 2, 3. X, Y, F. It did bounce. It did bounce. Soon. Not yet. Soon. All right, so you got through all of them. So I did this because I actually never did it on my own. I never, got some signals and then follow back up with it. Just because the last time I did this, I was just on paper trading, so I didn't really care as much. But now, I'm using more and more real money, and just using this. What is it called? Finviz. Just using Finviz as stock screener, man. It takes the thought out of everything. Takes the thought out of everything. You just put what you want to put in the criteria, and it spits out a bunch of stocks for you to look at and get into. And as you see, these 30 trades, these 30 signals that I gave on Sunday, they are performing very well. Very, very well. All right. Moving on to the earnings from Monday. So first one is Johnson and Johnson. Let's see. On the 3 day, yeah, looks like they had some good earnings. Yeah, they had some good earnings. So I would get in this trade if I were you guys. I would definitely get in this trade. Definitely. And hold it for a while, actually. On a weekly, look how that looks on a weekly. But anywho, moving on to Jabba the Hutt, or whatever this is, JBHT. The JB Hunt. Oh, the truck driver, I believe. Looks like they did not have good one. Well, they did have some good, but it's still falling. It is still falling. Now, what we will be looking at is a bounce off this area. Now, it is engulfing. So, further down, well, yeah, it definitely gap down. That's a little flag right there. Gap down. So, it is in the fair value gap area from, what was this, November 2020. So we'll see. We'll see. Now I jumped down. I missed 2 through 6. All right, BAC. I think that's Bank of America, I believe. Looked like Bank of America did pretty well. Nope. Oh. Yes, Bank of America is doing well. Earnings look good. Bank of America is doing well. What is C? Citigroup, another bank. It's doing well as well. IBKR. I think that's Forex. Forex broker. Bounce off the fair value gap, engulfed. Let's see. No, that's a lot of volume. Need some more time on this one. PNC, of course, that's another bank. I don't know about this one. I do not know about this one. What am I looking for? Boom. Huh. Oh, I didn't expect that. See how that looks like that. Okay, now we got some type of range. You see what a good line would do? Now you can see where price is going. This is why I use trend line. This is why I use trend lines. UAL, United Airlines. That's a hell of a drop. But however, the reversal is right there. The reversal is right there. Did they have good earnings? I guess, yeah, good earnings. That's a good man. That's good. That's good. OMC, and I put on OMG. Omnicron. Man, these people having some good earnings. Good earnings. Good earnings. But I wouldn't get in this trade just yet. It could be doing a double bottom right here, forming. Double bottom could be forming. A double bottom could be forming. But of course, we need more time. We need more time. Drop it. No, I already did JBHT. So ACI. Excuse me. And remember, these are all earnings. This is all earnings. Let's see what we're looking at. Let's see what we are looking at. Boom, like so. And then went from the top. You can see that double top right there. Yeah, and then you can do another one like so. Ooh, and you see how price just respects it so well. And it engulfed. So that's another good sign. That's another good sign. How did these earnings go? Very well. Very well. All right. ACI, HWC. HWC. So in the next video, I know some more earnings should be coming up. I think I'm only going to do the best earnings, like maybe 5 or maybe 10 at most. All right, of course, you draw that trend line right there. It's easy peasy. Then you could potentially make another trend line right there, depending on how far price goes down. I like this area, like that. Oh crap, I'm on a daily, no wonder why. But it still matches up. So it's definitely on an uptick right now. All right, HWC forward. That's not forward. Excuse me. All right, good reversal. It means good earnings. Yep, good earnings. Good reversal. I don't think I need to do anything else. And then, put that take profit, somewhere around here where price has been recently, often. All right. EQBK. What is that? Equity bank shares. Oh yeah, I'll be getting this trade as well. And I'll put it to like right there. And what would that be? 15%. Be a couple of days. Let's see. Let's see. Now this took what, 6 months? No, I can't count. What's 120 days? That's 4. Yeah, that took about 4 months. So the next 4 months, give or take a month or so, TP should be hit. TP should be hit. All right, moving on to TGT. TGTT. Whoa, wait. TG. Oh, TTGT. Yeah, this ain't looking too good for them. Why is this on the list if it's not? Did they not have earnings yet? I don't know about that one. GMGI, unless these are all. Oh, this is the list for. So everything down here. Let's look at Pepsi real quick. Well, no, I thought this was Pepsi. Yeah, PPSI. I thought that was Pepsi. Now, if this don't have the earnings today or yesterday, then this one was Tuesday, which was yesterday. All right, so yeah, let's move back. ARAN. ARAN. Ooh, they had some good earnings, clearly. No, but they did not. But that was a heck of a move. That was a heck of a move. All right. So yeah, I'll definitely get in. I would definitely get in this trade almost immediately because price will be falling back down in the short term. All right. TRX. TRX. Yeah, I guess still green. You know, still 0%, but yeah, I see that with that triple bottom 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I like that. So yeah, this is another good trade, and I'll take it up here. I'll take it up there. What would that be? What would that be? Well, 16% is right here, and you know it's going to there. So you get a nice 35%. You know, trading after earnings is always a good deal because so earnings is basically what happened in the previous quarter. So they put out good numbers. Um, let's say on when was this? Yesterday. That means for the next couple of months we should be in an uptick. The next couple of months we should be in an uptick. Should. MHGU. Whoa, I ain't never seen a chart like this. This ain't nothing I want to trade. You might have to trade on a higher time frame. No, I never trade anything like this. Yeah, you gotta go on a higher time frame. You gotta go on a higher time frame. But as you see, that's definitely a double top. It's definitely coming back down. Possibly down here. They must have had some good earnings. Oh no, it's tomorrow. Earnings is tomorrow. All right, moving on to core or core. Earnings is not yet. Kit. Earnings earnings, not yet. PCLB. With earnings tomorrow. Earnings are tomorrow. They have earnings every month, it looks like. Yeah. They get earnings every month. So this is definitely a higher time frame. Yeah, this is definitely a higher time frame move. Yeah, it looks much better like that. Yeah, back in '09 was good. They just were just on a. All right, I'm getting sidetracked. All right, GameStop. Ooh, I know y'all heard about the Bitcoin that they Oh, this is not. No, GME is GameStop. GME is GameStop. Earnings was today. Ooh, negative 1,400%. Well, that ain't never good. KLNG. Now, if you see, stuff falling after earnings, it's a good chance to look for. Oh, this is OTC. Was the other ones OTC as well? No, this just this one. So we just gonna get that one out. Rent. Just rental meter or something. Ooh, down as well. So this is already at $4. Yeah, I would stay clear of this. I would stay clear of that. BLNE. Yeah, everything is looking down. INZ. What is this? Another penny stock. Yeah. Earnings down. Tomorrow. Earnings is tomorrow. Benzi. Whatever this is. Bonsai. It's a burger at Red Robin that I like from that Bonsai burger, I believe. Anywho, yeah, I'm just hungry. Good earnings yesterday. Penny stock, so you really can't see it unless you deep dive in. Yeah, but that's just too low, man. I'm not that advanced. Oh, that's another OTC as well. Hold on. What was that? KNG. Yep, okay. That was the only one. Alright. This looked like over the counter too. Yeah. OTC. Oh, this big lots. Oh, they definitely down. Big lots, I think they going out of business. And what is this? Cons. The furniture store? Yep. Okay. That'll do it for today's video. Again, don't be afraid to use FinViz. As you saw, everything is it works. It definitely works. You don't have to just start searching for it for whatever you need. Just get on there and type in what you need, and then look them up on the charts. But until then, I'm X. You watching We Here Now. Please like, share, subscribe, and give feedback. That's greatly appreciated. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.